Hello students, welcome to HTech Karnataka YouTube channel. So you can go for third model. So subject is MATLAB programming. So 5A question. So what are the anonymous functions? Explain with the examples. So anonymous functions in MATLAB are lightweight inline functions that do not require a separate file for declaration. They are defined by using the expression syntax, where arguments represent in the input argument of the function and expression represents the operation to be performed. Here an example to illustrate anonymous functions. So we can here given as a definition: square equals to at of x to the power 2. So function to calculate the square of the number, to calculate the function of the square number. So square equals to at x of 2 to x to the power 2 we have to find, and use the anonymous function to calculate the square of 5. So result equals to square of 5 we have to find. So display square of 5 is so numpy 2 star of result. So in the example, at of x declares the anonymous function that takes one input argument x to the power 2 is the expression that calculates the square of the input argument. So square is a variable that holds the anonymous function. So when we call a square 5, MATLAB executes the anonymous function with x set 5 and returns to the result, which is 25. The output displayed, it will be a square of 5 is a 25. So anonymous functions are often used in a situation where a simple one-time function needed, such in a numerical optimization, integration, or plotting. They provide a convenient way to define a function without cluttering the workspace with a necessary function file. So create the 3 anonymous function corresponding to the following expression. So here given as the 3 expressions are given. So x to the power 4 minus 8 into x to the power 3 plus 17x to the power square minus 4x minus 20, and same as given as g of x and h of x. So f of x first we have to see in the first question. So at of x to the power 4 minus x to the power 8 into x to the power 3 plus 17 into x to the power 2 minus 4 into x plus 20. So here given is the 3 anonymous functions corresponding to following expression. We have to written in the expression of anonymous function. So here given is the C. So first one f of x and g of x and h of x. So evaluate the expression f of x at x is equals to 2. So result of f equals to f of 2. Display f of 2 equals to, so number 2 star of result of f percentage. Evaluate the expression g of x at x equals to 3. Result is equals to g. So g of 3. So display of g of 3. So same as number 2 star of result g. So evaluate the expression of h of x at x equals to minus 1. Result h equals to h of minus 1. So display h of minus 1. So num 2 star of result h. This will display the evaluated value of the expression f of x, g of x, and h of x. Specified values of x. So explain MATLAB commands to import and export data with the suitable examples. Importing and exporting data MATLAB involves a reading data from external files to MATLAB variables, or writing MATLAB variables to external files. MATLAB provides a various functions for this purpose, such as a load, save, read table and write table, and CSV read and CSV write act. Here an expression of MATLAB commands to import and export data with examples. So importing data, so using a load and save for mat files. So load is used to load data from MATLAB files into MATLAB variables. Save is used to save MATLAB variables to mat files. So examples also given, and the second ones we can go for using a read table and a write table for tabular data. So read table is used to read data from spreadsheets and or delimited text files into a MATLAB table. So write table is used to write data from a MATLAB table to a spreadsheet or a delimited text file. Examples: read data from data CSV into MATLAB table. Data read table, data CSV, write the table data to a CSV file output CSV array table dot output CSV. So using a CSV read and CSV write for a CSV files numeric data and exporting data. So using a save format files. So and also second one is using a write table for tabular data and using a CSV write for CSV file. We can go for 6b. Define the following function symbolically. F of x equals to x square minus 4x into x square minus 4x plus 1 minus 20. So write the command for expand of f of x, first one, and write the command to factorize of using factorize f using the symbolic function. So expand f of x and expand f of x equals to expand of f, display expanded form of f of x. So display expanded of f. So factorize f of x, factored f equals to factor of f, display factored form of f of x, display factored f, expand from f of x, x to the power 4 minus 8 into x to the power 3 plus 7 into x to the power 2 minus f 4 into x of minus 20. So factored from f of x. So here given as the same. Is expanded from f of x and x factored form of f of x. So we can go for fourth model.